Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2018 250 SLX offered by Sea Ray. As you can see, has the nice metal flake here on the side, both bottom and top. Got a nice accent white stripe there. This boat does come with the tower and bimini. It does have underwater lights. So you can see right there, they're blue in color and they shine really bright under the water. Got a nice big swim deck here, swim platform, as well as a back bench. Let's head inside. Coming inside the boat, you can see that there's nice wraparound seating. Got a cooler door right in there, and this seat lifts up as well. Got storage batteries under this seat, storage under the next seat. This backrest flips forward and backwards, so you can sit either direction. Got a head. Nice clean head. Spot to go to the bathroom. In the bow, as you can see currently, there's a sun pad in the center there. Nice big spacious bow. You can take that center sun pad out, put a table there, or just leave it empty. Here at the helm, got the nice SLX comfy chair. This boat is equipped with auto trim. It also has your full touchscreen. You got your interior blue lights. There's 3 different settings with this, so you can get brighter and brighter, or you can dim it down one. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out, check this boat out. And like always, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.